Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to create your Instagram account in 2025. So first of all, open your Instagram and click on sign up. Here you have to enter your Gmail. Now you have to create your own strong password, and you can also write the same as suggested by Google. So here you have to your name and now your username that will be displayed on your profile. So choose a unique name. Now just click on sign up. Now you can save your password and your Gmail. Now you have to enter your birth year and date. Click on next. Now you will receive a confirmation code on your Gmail. So open your Gmail. Now go on social, and here you will see your Instagram account password. Just copy the password and paste it here. Click on next. As you can see that your account has been created. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.